This is a videotape inspection of the KSI SQC20 CNC Swiss lathe. This machine just came in. It's been in storage for approximately a year, so we just put some programming in to move the axes around and spin the spindles and the live tools. You can see the rotary guide bushing going. This is the main spindle moving. Come back over so you can hear the sub spindle at about 2,000 RPMs. Those are the live tools on the cross slide moving. And now we've got a little sub program that just moves the sub around and spins the live back working tools. And again, it's not making a part, it's just moving. You can see the live tools. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the machine. This does have a Fanuc Series 18 ITB control. You can look down, you can see it does have a parts conveyor. It comes out towards the bar feed end of the machine instead of the back side. We'll walk around the back. You can see you do have a panel access to come in from the back of the machine. Also, it's got a window so you can see what's going on. And the electrical cabinet. And again, we have it open because it's a temporary hookup. This machine is coming with an Edge Technology Minuteman bar feed. This concludes our videotape inspection of the KSI SQC20 CNC Swiss automatic lathe.